Ah, I got him with a shotgun. Ah, I got another one. Ah, I got shot. Ah, stupid ass game. Special weapon. Oh!
A motion sensor is your secret weapon?
How does he show in the middle? What the fuck is that? Move. They can't get me. They can't get me. What the fuck? Hey, that means war. 3 kills. I'm gonna get 4 kills with this. You ain't at me, fool. Oh, motherfucker. Oh,
that's your teammate. My teammate just came out of the fucking door. Alright, this is over now. It's over now. Who shot me? Which one you pussy ass shot me? Ah! I fell off the edge. Alright, I'm going commando chat. Let's go, baby. The AUG. Now you're getting the AUG, right? There you go.
Oh! That's too close to base! It's over now. Yeah, bitch, stay down. Anybody else want a piece of me? Anybody else want a piece of me? I didn't think so. Didn't think anybody else want a piece of old shit. They're all coming through the door, motherfucker.
Put on your grenade launcher.
Alright, got one person. A wise guy, eh?
C4 Claymore.
That's not C4.
I know, it's like Claymore though.
See if I can get a kill from here, everybody. No, okay. That's messed up. Can I get a kill? How about this? But I can get a kill from here. Yeah. If I got a kill, I'll be fucking screaming. And you got that on tape too.
Yeah. This is going on YouTube, by the way.
Alright, clear.
Because your reactions are really fucking funny.
Woo! Oh, my team. Woo! You cheap ass!
What?
Claymore right here.
That's
Enemy Claymore! Oh.
Pretty sure that was your Claymore.
You're not gonna get past me. Watch this. I have a secret weapon. Oh! Yes!
Oh, shit!
Give me back my fucking Claymore, man. Give me my Claymore, man. Ah! No! Kill! Ah! Oh, I'm not kill cam. Alright, good. Let's shoot that.
Are you upset that you lost?
Nope, because I am not the kill cam. And look, I came in 3rd.
3rd place.
Let's play again. I'm going to sleep.
Night.